You've probably seen the national and local headlines about catalytic converter thefts. But what happens after the converter has been cut from the vehicle? What must be done to get that victim back on the road? Most catalytic converter thefts are covered under the customer's comprehensive insurance policy. You might have to work with the insurance company to determine if they will cover the replacement converter with an OE or aftermarket equivalent converter. Direct fit exhaust components are the best bet, but depending on how the converter was cut from the vehicle, you might be having to repair a flange that's on the vehicle. Some customers might not have comprehensive insurance, so replacement might be on their dime. Don't even try to source a used catalytic converter. The EPA made selling used converters illegal in 1990, unless it's tested by the agency, which never happens. They also enacted a requirement that shops must follow if they are replacing a catalytic converter to document the entire procedure. Do not replace the missing converter with just a test pipe or a length of pipe that's welded in. First of all, it will not keep the check engine light out, and it could cost you a $10,000 fine from the EPA. No matter who is paying the bill, both the customer and installer must sign a statement explaining why the converter was replaced. Manufacturers either provide such a statement with the converter, or they have an example of it in their catalogs or downloadable at their website. Also, you must retain copies of the invoice and statements for up to 6 months. Protecting the converters on vehicles like a Toyota Prius, Ford F-250, or a Honda Element has become a cottage industry. These devices are designed to prevent thieves from accessing the converter or making it difficult to cut the pipes. Some muffler shops that can still weld have been fabricating cages around the shields and the converter itself to stop the thieves and make it more challenging to steal the converter. Some police departments, well, they're offering services where they can etch the VIN into the converter shell, and another strategy has been to spray paint the catalytic converter with either red or orange high temperature paint that makes the thief more reluctant to steal the converter. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.